Okay, so reasons for remote work or having your company work remotely are maybe as follows. Maybe everyone went on vacation at the same time, happens. Or one of you got sick and someone else needs to step in and do the job, but they're still on vacation. Or, I mean, the most likely scenario, zombies. I mean, it's just a matter of time, really. Well, let's talk remote work. So, for an office job, the typical 9 to 5, that's a lot easier. A lot of ways to just communicate, send some files, no big deal. But we're talking inventory. How do you do remote work and still keep track of your stuff and still get stuff made? Before we proceed, I just want to point out there's a little asterisk here telling you that I am no expert and you probably shouldn't listen to me, but here I am anyways. Hosted services. So what is that? Well, you have all your stuff right here, but instead of it being your computer, your desk, your servers, you're paying someone to keep track of all your stuff over here. Whether that is a QuickBooks solution, whether it is an inventory software solution, whether it is integrations that fit into all those pieces, it's being maintained at a separate facility so that you have 24-hour access. You have someone else maintaining that server and making sure the upkeep is there. And you have someone making sure that all of your files are safe. Because, I mean, what if, back at your place, you got that one computer that keeps track of everything, and if something happened to that computer, oof, and you still got that one Chad that works in the warehouse and it's dicey. Whereas with hosted services, things are safe, backed up, secure, and you can get to it whenever you want. Boop, online, just like that. So why would you use hosted services other than the benefits of someone else taking care of the server, remote access, 24/7 access? Well, because you're also still dealing with inventory, but that doesn't mean that you have to be in the warehouse. Let's say that there is that zombie outbreak going on and you can only have a skeleton crew in the warehouse. Maybe it's 1 or 2 or 3 people so that they can stay safe, not spread the zombie virus, and still get work done so that they can take care of their family. Well, in that situation, you have bare necessity of workers so that the work gets done, and anyone that needs to manage the inventory, that needs to look at the numbers, that needs, maybe it's a sales guy that needs remote access to inventory levels. It's all available through hosted services. And now your whole team can keep running, the warehouse can keep running, and you can keep going about your day. So, even in the midst of a zombie outbreak, or the whole company going on vacation, or maybe you just don't feel like going into work and you're the boss and you have say-so, and I've worked for people like that. So don't pin yourself down to thinking that your business or your work can only happen in one way and only function in one way, if that is what is going to slow you down or even prevent you from getting work done. Working remotely gives your company the ability to adapt and enter into a new normal, even if there are zombies. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.